Hi, I'm Mikael from MainlyAI. Let's talk about expert agents and mixing LLMs. On the screen, you see an example of a simple chatbot where I have an assistant that knows basically nothing. I'd ask it questions about drones and export regulations, and it will not be able to answer them without help. In this case, I use ChatGPT 4.1. To help this assistant, I've created two tools, expert agents, that will help it to answer. The first tool is an HS code classifier expert. The HS code is a global classification used for products when exporting them. The other tool is an EU export regulation expert that can produce a list of restricted countries. So let's run this and see what we get. When we run a project on the platform, it automatically spins up the required resources, and you can see how much of the resources it consumes. Now we'll let it work for a while. Of course, we can build out this example to have a web frontend and make the experts full RAG solutions. But with this example, I just wanted to show the possibilities of using agents and mixing LLMs in a single project. Well, now we have a result. We see that it's found a suitable HS code, and it's also found that this kind of product have export restrictions, and it gives us a list of countries we should not export to. We also see the tools or expert agents it asked for help. If we look at the agents, we can see they're using different LLMs. First one uses a Gemini LLM, the other one uses Mixtron. If you want to build this yourself, visit www.mainly.ai and get started.